Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Liquity. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day before I talk about them on YouTube. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWAs, DeepIn, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Liquity is currently ranked 388. The price is at $1.17. 1.40% up for the day. And the market cap is sitting right below 110 million. That means there is a lot of room to grow, lots of potential upside here. If we take a look at the all-time chart, we see that this token was created in 2021. We saw this all-time high above $40, $42. Since then, people took profits. Price action pulled back down, and we've been inside this long accumulation the past few years. So we are currently at range lows. And I think that Liquity has the potential to pull a 5x, 10x, 20x move during this upcoming bull run. We might not see the previous all-time high that we saw in 2021 at $40, but we might see half of that, right? Half of that is going to take us to the price level of $20, and that's basically a 15 to 20x, okay? Before we look at the charts on TradingView, let's look at what is Liquity. Liquity is a decentralized borrowing protocol built on Ethereum that utilizes LQTY, a USD-pegged stablecoin. Ether holders can draw loans in the form of LQTY with algorithmically adjusted redemption and loan issuance fees. This is their website. You can find it at www.liquity.org. Look what it says here. 0% interest loans. Borrow LUSD against Ethereum. You can click on this and borrow now. Or click on this and learn more. You can go through their website on your own time. I'm not going to waste time here. This is their X account. You can find it at Liquity Protocol. Look what it says here. Be bold. The best way to borrow with staked Ethereum. Now, this token was created back in 2021, as we saw earlier, but they only have 65,000 followers, which is not impressive in my eyes. And they haven't been active on X. I mean, they have, but not every single day. That's why they don't have that many followers. But the main reason that I wanted to bring LQTY to your attention is because it has a nice bullish pattern going on all the way down here. So we are on TradingView, and we are looking at LQTY USDT daily chart on Binance. As you see here, the chart on Binance begins from March of 2023. We had a nice little run up all the way up to $3.85. People took profits, price action pulled back, and the best buying opportunity for this token was all the way down here, I think. So the price action is trying to break above this green rectangle that I have here on the chart. If we zoom in, what I see is a few things. First of all, we had a nice trend line here that we broke out of, like something like that. Okay, we had a nice breakout here, a retest, continuation move to the upside, testing that Fibonacci level of resistance that's located at $1.44. We pulled back a little bit, and if we zoom in even more, we are currently moving inside this triangle pattern. Look at this. I am going to zoom into the 4-hour chart so you guys can see the price action inside the triangle pattern better. But before we do that, I have something else that I want to show you that's pretty interesting. You see this red line here? This is the 50-day moving average. And it broke above this blue line, which is the 200 moving average. And that's basically a golden cross, guys. That's a very bullish signal. And that shows in the price action because we have this bullish triangle pattern going on. Let's zoom in to the 4-hour chart so you can see this better. Adjust the trend lines a little bit. So we have this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. We had a nice bounce here, another bounce here. We might see another bounce in the future. That might be a very nice buying opportunity. And also we have this descending yellow trend line that has been acting as a resistance. See, we had a nice rejection here, another rejection here. We are testing this right now. The price action is still inside the triangle pattern. As long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern. So we have to assume that it's going to continue doing this until it breaks out. This can break out to the downside, or to the upside. However, this is a bullish continuation pattern. So it has a high chance of breaking to the upside. 70 to 75% chance of this breaking to the upside, actually. And this is why I wanted to bring this token to your attention, because the measured move for this triangle pattern is all the way up here at $1.44. Now, if the price action manages to break above the triangle soon, let's say right here, the measured move to that level of $1.44 is going to be approximately a 21-22% move. And this is the safest way we can trade this. Buy the breakout above, buy the retest if it happens, wait for a continuation move to the upside, hitting the target or close to the target. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, a very nice entry, as I told you earlier, would be a pullback to this support. We want to see a nice bounce here and basically front run the breakout above the triangle pattern. If we buy all the way down here on a pullback, the measured move to this price level of $1.44 is going to be a 34-35% move approximately. So this is riskier but more rewarding move. Okay. Now another thing that I see here, then this is why this pattern is pretty bullish, is that look, the price action has been putting higher lows. So we might see another high low here, and that's going to be pretty bullish in my eyes. Now I have another target here on the chart that's located at $1.92. The measured move, if we buy the breakout above the triangle to this price level of $1.92, that's going to be a 62% move. If the price action pulls back and we buy as close as we can to the support, the measured move to the level of $1.92 is going to be a 76% move. It's easy for Liquity to pull a move like that, guys, because it only has a market cap of 110 million. So it's not that heavy. Now, if I zoom out even more and we change back to the daily chart so we can see this better, I have the price prediction here for you. That's all the way up here. But before we do that, I'm going to measure the move to that all-time high at $3.85 that we see here on Binance. From the current price levels to $3.85, that's going to be a move of 234%. And that's a nice move out of Liquity. Again, Liquity doesn't have such a huge market cap. So a move like that can easily happen if a little bit of liquidity starts flowing into this token. If we zoom out even more, I have this target here for you. It's located at $11.77. That's going to be my price prediction for 2025. And this is basically a 10x move for Liquity. If Liquity pulls a 10x move, it's going to have a price of $11.77 and a market cap of 1.1 billion. So let me know in the comments below, guys. What do you think? Do you think that Liquity can pull a market cap of 1.1 billion during this upcoming bull run? On March of 2023, we saw, according to CoinMarketCap, we saw the market cap of LQTY reaching 262 million. But this is going to be the greatest bull run of all time, guys. So let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for LQT? Do you think that a 10x move is too high for this token? For those of you who want a more conservative price prediction, a 500% I think makes sense at $7.16. And the market cap is going to be half of this 10x move's market cap. And this is going to be basically at 500 million or something, right? So that's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the updates that I'm going to post in the coming days and weeks on all these setups that I am talking about these days. Also, click the like button and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.